everybody, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Colfax, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and you can reach me at 828-773-4500. This is a 2017 Shadow, and this would be a weekender. This is a 5.5 foot short wall, 3-horse, so it keeps the box good and small. It is not a full living quarters. It does not have a shower or a toilet, but once you see kind of what it does have, it is a great option for getting started camping, or if you needed a second trailer to take to the horse shows. It's just a great trailer. This is a Pro Series, so this is the upper end of their brand. So you've got a lot of options that are above some of their other options in their trailers on this particular model. So, sorry guys, it's super loud here today. 3-horse with an escape door. This does have a electric jack on it. Does have a battery. It is completely done 30 amp service. This trailer is in excellent shape. It has a few scratches back here where a horse was tied at the back door and on this back tie ring. Let me kind of show you those real quick. So some scratches there, and then some scratches here. Do you see maybe one little small dent right here? It's kind of hard to see on a white trailer, but I want to point that out. So it does have the fresh water tank and the city water hookup, because you do have a sink in there. So there is a sink, so you do have water. And you do have a fresh water tank. Okay, 6'9" wide. Let me just confirm, I'm pretty sure. 7'6" tall, 6'9" wide, 7'6" tall. Does have a collapsible rear tack with a swing out saddle rack. This trailer does have a lower divider. We just washed this trailer, so if you see water, we just washed it. Fully lined and insulated, padded dividers. Those would be some key points and bigger, heavier duty dividers in the Pro Series. So lower divider, heavier dividers, padded dividers, fully lined and insulated horse box, big drop window on the rear, drop windows with bars on the head side, and this rear does have bars as well. Walk through door. Horse box is in excellent shape. A few scratches there on the wall. I mean scuffs, I'm not even going to call those scratches. Kind of the same here on the back. The horse box is in excellent shape. All right, it does have an awning. It does have an escape door. I may have already said that. So I've got the air conditioning on. The air conditioning works great in this trailer. The concept of this trailer in the past is they actually had a cooler sitting here. This person chose to put a small fridge that works great. It's an electric fridge, works really well. It's good and cold already. We've been in here cleaning this trailer today. Now, this is like a bench system. A child could maybe sleep on this bench. I'm not gonna say this is like a place for an adult to sleep. It is not a pull-out couch. So I repeat, it is not a pull-out couch. So I just definitely want to disclose that. A nice place to sit, bigger than a bench, but does have really nice cabinets in here. Like I said, for a show trailer, this would be a great trailer. Walk through door. When I take the pictures, I take them at a large, broad angle sometimes, so it does make it seem bigger in here, and I don't want to mislead anybody with those pictures. It's just, I do those pictures to try to give the extent of, you know, what is in the living quarters. So it's got cabinets up in the nose. It does have a microwave. It does have a sink. It's nice hickory colored interior, so it's nice and bright in here. This is storage. Actually here, it's like a storage cabinet. It does have the day-night shades. condition works great. It does have a radio. So it's just a nice compact weekender. 5.5 foot short wall. We'll double check, but I believe that keeps this box right around 20. All right. 2017 Shadow Weekender. I believe they called this a plus pack. My Shadow days, this is a plus pack that they've actually done a little bit more. So 2017 Shadow, let's call it a plus pack weekender. Excellent condition, all aluminum trailer, lightweight, ready to go. You guys have a great day.